You're watching I Love I, where we show you cool spots to eat. I'm Nate.
I'm Sonny.
And today we're gonna show you some Filipino snacks. Let's go.
I need to do more than that, but yeah.
So we're at Seafood City.
We got bored and we just decided to buy all sorts of snacks. That's period, that's it. We got bored, came out to eat, filled some stuff, and then we bought everything down the two middle aisles of Seafood City.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna tell you what we bought. Why? Because we can.
And we did this incognito because we're not supposed to film here.
Technically. But we filmed here last time and didn't say jack. But somehow I opened this bag and there's new snacks added to this bag. I thought we've agreed upon we've already, this guy's hilarious. All right, let's do this. Look at this stuff I've never seen before.
My daughter likes those.
Like Filipino snacks and their characters are just hilarious, man. This is called Banana Kick. And it's literally a banana kicking a ball.
I'm just taking these out right now.
This one, I'll show you these bags, man. These bags this is called Cheesy Corn Crunch. And look at these cheesy looking eyes. Freaking creeper right here. Dog.
Filipinos Funyuns. Onion flavored rings. And one thing about Filipino snacks, they really put a lot of air in it. So you feel like you got a big snack, but then it's probably like 1/3 of it.
Filipino snacks is like 80% air and 20% snack.
Like this one, look.
I tell you, they're like a pillow. They're like that you grab.
Sunflower crackers, strawberry flavor. These are pretty bomb if you guys haven't had these. I think Sonny's had these. Sunflower crackers, strawberry.
The man that says I won't eat any liver nor freaking intestines tell me I've never had sunflower crackers.
Nah, the strawberry ones.
I've had it all. Mango, strawberry, you name it. I've had it. Plain.
Got the strawberry filling in the middle. Basically, it's just a cracker with strawberry filling.
It's supposed to be cheese cracker. That's what it is, yeah? It's just regular crackers?
These are so good.
They're delicious. I like the mango one too. The mango one's good. But let me try this. I've never had it. It tastes just like the last time I had it. Wow, it's amazing.
They're so good.
They're so good.
They're so good.
These are like good, like when you chillin', just watching a movie, snack on this because it goes from like savory to sweet. It's really good.
All of these are good to snack on, except this is the worst thing I've ever had as far as a snack.
This is the sponsor of the video, by the way. And see, like, Filipinos love everything weird and like sweet. They even do chocolate. Cheetos, baby.
Look. All right, so so one of the things about these snacks, they're really hard to open. Like you normally have to bite into them or get
Bro, this is the only snacks you buy here that they're child-proof. You can buy snacks from the Filipino store and they're child-proof. Your kids can't open these things.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, but it looks all retarded. I'm just kidding. So this is chocolate Cheetos.
Oh, dude, it looks like cat poop.
He must eat a lot of cat poop. It's good. Tastes like chocolate Cheetos.
Those are pretty good.
I'm not gonna lie. They're chocolatey.
We're gonna put all the snacks we bought in the description below, so that way.
We'll try to at least.
Yeah, we'll try to. But I'll try to find the links, so that way you might be able to find it on Amazon.
This one's called Moby. Chocolate.
I guess he's keeping that. So he's like, I'm bringing this home. They got some cool stuff though. Banana cake. What is? Oh, let's see if you can open that. He's gonna like, he's gonna backhand me. Oh, he did it. Oh shit, look at that.
So this one is banana kick. So this is like banana Cheetos, I guess. Banana and chocolate. Oh, yeah, this is pretty good. Try it, dude. That's pretty good. Now try it, banana choco.
Ooh.
This banana's pretty good, man. I'm not lying. This is good.
Oh my god, dude, this is so good.
Banana kick. You got my thumbs up, son. This is good. I've never had these.
These are so good. I think Ryan kind of like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this one as well. No.
And then we got the Cloud 9.
This is
Luscious caramel nougat.
This is the Filipino Snickers bar. The funny thing is, they sell you this whole pack like with the bars. This was $2.99, and right next to it, they had like tiny ones this big in a bag, about this big, for 10 cents cheaper, right?
Yeah,
so we went with this, and you get more. Come on.
Well, yeah, I'm only gonna try a few because I mean, we're gonna try the ones that we haven't, like Cloud 9.
Yeah, I haven't tried this. This is supposed to be like the Snickers of the Philippines, but classic Cloud 9. It looks like that.
Oh shit, it's like marshmallow. It like disintegrated.
Oh.
Nougat.
It doesn't taste like Snickers.
It looks retarded now.
It tastes weird, dog.
I was trying to pull it apart. Dude, this feels like it's old as hell.
What is that?
I don't know, man. I have a feeling like I eat this is gonna stay in my stomach for like a week.
That's not
hard.
good.
Fuck.
It
Oh, this
doesn't-
is disgusting.
It doesn't taste good.
Yeah, that's gross.
I can't even describe the taste. That's nasty, bro.
This is the worst.
That's the worst shit I've ever had.
Don't ever buy this. This is gross. Ugh.
That's nasty. We got Lanka Candy. So if you don't know what Lanka is in American, it's jackfruit. If you don't know what jackfruit is, it's this big looking bean that's spiky.
It's not the durian.
It's
Don't
not
mistake
durian.
it for the durian.
Durian's a little smaller, but this is delicious. If you've ever had the actual fruit, let's see what this compares to. Ooh, it's like the,
Haichu?
no, crap. What do you call it?
Oh, it's like White Rabbit.
No. Yeah, pastillas, there you go. My dude. So it's like pastillas. If you don't know, it's like this milk.
Oh, yeah.
It's like this milk candy that when you bite into it, it's not chewy, it's not crunchy, it's like powdery, but it melts in your mouth type stuff.
That's actually pretty good.
I mean, it's pretty good.
Oh, what is this? Roasted green peas. I don't know how to read that. If you know what it is, let me know.
Try this Katsu Guy, roasted green peas.
I was hoping it was wasabi, but it's not.
This is a good alternative to peanuts.
Yeah, these are good.
Way good.
And it has a lot of protein.
Holy shit.
What's up?
No, yeah.
Damn, these are pretty good.
Yeah. I was trying to look if it was vegan. Like if you can have it as a vegan, but it says made in a factory that uses milk, fish, anchovy. So mackerel, bonito, cod, roe. So probably not. There's probably got a little bit of everything in here.
It's not vegan and it's not vegetarian. but it is damn good.
And then the Philippine brand of dried bananas. We were gonna get the mangoes, which is like what they bring in your, your pasalubong in a balikbayan box. So if you guys don't know what pasalubong is, if your family goes back home in the Philippines and they come back here to the States, they bring a box full of goodies, and that's what you call pasalubong. But they bring these back, but it's normally dried mangoes. But he said you can get it at Costco, so I don't want to get anything that you couldn't get. You can only get it here is what we're trying to do. Like, you can't get this anywhere else.
Yeah, you can get a big pack at Costco. It's like 12 bucks. Dried banana.
Have you guys had dried banana? I know about this. The mango one is fire. This one might not be so fire. Let me get all this sunflower cracker out of my mouth real quick, bro.
Wash it down. I really want some more of those banana puffs.
Not my flow. Mango one's 100 times better. But these banana puffs though. These banana puffs, yo, are life-changing, bro. Yeah, don't buy these. These are... No wonder they don't have them at Costco. Costco tried this one, they were like, nah, we good.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like fish. It's disgusting.
It's no good. I don't know. I can't trust his taste buds, this guy. It doesn't taste good, dude. It's nasty. It's the worst one I've ever tried.
That's gross. This is my favorite one right here. Has to be. What's your favorite one?
I got two. I really like, these are really good. I'm not gonna lie. Like these right here probably sit just on par with these, and this right here is pretty good. This is something I can just chill, kick it with.
I'll let you know what I think of it next video. But
fire.
If you guys have tried any of these snacks, let us know in the comments below. Let us know what you think. Also, if there's any other international snacks you want us to try out, let us know down below. We're gonna go check it out. And also, what should they do, Sonny?
Share this with your family and friends.
Because they'll love it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Peace out.
Peace.
Get that peace out.